Hello, welcome to our channel. This was the question IIT JAM 2020, and uh, here the achiral stereoisomer is possible for such type of molecule is here. See, this is first one is alene system, and second one is biphenyl system. And here see, in alene system, the two bonds the two bonds are see here in picture. I can see here in the alene system, here two hydrogen and the other two hydrogen are orthogonal to each other, means this two hydrogen in plane and another two hydrogen are above and below the plane. Hence when you pass the plane in that in this molecule, the it can't be equal, so plane cannot be passed through the molecule. And so here is no plane of symmetry. See here in this alene system, this plane there is no plane of symmetry, hence it is chiral. And in this biphenyl system, here see this is also chiral center. And see this third one is there is plane of symmetry, so third one is achiral center, and the D is also achiral center, because C and D has plane of symmetry. And another question, the compounds which will have only two signal in proton NMR spectrum with ratio 3:2. And here see in first one, see in first one, when you pass the plane, that is I'm showing you here. See, when you pass the plane, it has also it has plane of symmetry, hence see here there in first one has three signal, that methyl proton and two benzene proton, so it has three signals, so it is not correct option. And that B case, C in option B. And when you pass the plane, it has plane of symmetry, and C it has four signal, that methyl proton and three benzene proton, so it is not the correct option. And C in C plane passed, when plane passed, there is only two signal, and one signal has two methyl proton has one signal, and four hydrogen has one signal, so it has 3:2 ratio proton NMR peak. And see another option D, two CH3 proton peak, one signal, and that another 4H has one signal, so it has also 3:2 ratio peak, proton NMR peak. So correct option is C and D. And another question, the correct sequence of reaction for the synthesis of the following molecules are. And see here, see this is the product, and reagent is given in the four option. Just see, just we'll see here one by one. See in the first option, it has given that 4-iodo-phenol, and when it is treated with magnesium, it will form Grignard phenol. And you see here the Grignard can extract the proton, extract the phenolic proton, hence the further reaction won't possible. And in option B, it is given that bromocyclopropane, when it is treated with magnesium, and it will form Grignard, and this Grignard treated with 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde, and this 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde, and this Grignard can extract the phenolic that OH proton, hence it will form only cyclopropane. And and cyclopropane. Hence further reaction is not possible. And in option C, here C, 4-iodophenol when treated with methyl iodide from this 4-methoxy iodine iodobenzene, 4-methoxy iodobenzene, when it is treated with Grignard, not Grignard, magnesium and ether, it form this 4-methoxy Grignard reagent. And this Grignard when treated with treated with this aldehyde from this desired product. Here the product is, this was the product, and this is the correct option. And see here another option D, this here this is bromocyclopropane when treated with magnesium and solvent is ether from this Grignard reagent. And when it is treated with 4-methoxy treated with this ester, 4-methoxy ester from this ketone, and when again, and this is ketone, and then Grignard is so much reactive towards ketone, and it again attack to this ketone from this product. So it is not a desired product. So correct option is C. And another question was the degree of unsaturation, means double bond equivalent for a compound with molecular formula C14H12O2 is. Here see, we should know what is double bond equivalent, number of pair of hydrogen that lacks to be an alkane from the parent alkane. Here this is the formula, and we should convert it into the alkane formula. And when we will convert C14H12O2, and when we convert it into simple alkane, it will be C14H30. And here how can we calculate the double bond equivalent? Here I have written, convert the formula into simple alkane for nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, bismuth, add 1 hydrogen, and for oxygen, sulfur, silicon, tellurium, no change, and for halogen, subtract 1 hydrogen. Here see, and the formula is C14H12O2, and when we convert it into simple alkane, it will be C14H30, and double bond equivalent will be double bond equivalent can be calculated from the simple alkane hydrogen and from that compound hydrogen. And here the simple alkane hydrogen is 30 and compound hydrogen is 12, and for oxygen is no add, no subtract, so no change, so divided by 2, and from 18 by 2 it is 9. So double bond equivalent is 9. Another example we should see C7H14N2O2, and when it convert into simple alkane, C7H16, and here you see, here is 1 nitrogen and 2 nitrogen and 2 oxygen, and from this simple alkane we should add 2 because of 2 nitrogen. So 16 plus 2, 18 minus 4 divided by 2, and now double bond equivalent is 7. And the total number of tautomers possible for first one and second one together is, here see, one is symmetrical and another is not symmetrical, because in one case there is 2 phenyl, and another second case one is methyl group. So in first case number of tautomer will be less as compared to that second one. And see here, I have already written here, and nitrogen here, nitrogen lone pair will be participate in tautomerization, and another nitrogen also take part. And see here in first case, here is two tautomer possible, and here see in second case, that is nitrogen lone pair will participate in tautomerism, and also another phenyl nitrogen lone pair is also participate. Here is 3 tautomer is possible, hence total number of tautomer is 5. And another question, the total number of head to tail isoprene linkage in the following molecule is. Here see, first we should know what is isoprene linker, and here see this is the isoprene linker, and here it has one head and one tail, and see here total number of head to, here the question is head to tail, means one head connect with one tail of one head connect to another isoprene linker of tail. So total number of head to tail linker is here I have written one molecule head, one molecule tail, one molecule head, one molecule tail, and here total number of head to tail linker is 4. Sorry, I have written here 6, but head to tail linker is, head to tail linkage is 4. Another question, the total number of constitutional isomer possible for trimethyl cyclohexane is. Here we can arrange only cyclohexane remains same, but we can arrange only the methyl group. Here see, we can keep 2 methyl at a time and change 1 methyl randomly, and we will get 3 isomer, and another again we will distribute 3 methyl groups separately and we will get 3. Hence total number of constitutional isomer is 6. Another question, the correct statement for the following structure is. Here you see it has all the three isomer are constitutional isomer because they are differ only in their constitution, differ only on the constitution. All are constitutional isomer, so correct option is D.